Hold on, I'm recording her. Hey, Kaylee. Why are you wearing those socks like that?
For school.
For school? What are you guys doing at school?
Pretending to be floss.
Kaylee, I love the socks. Check these socks out. This is awesome.
These are Kylie's, they aren't mine.
This is what Kaylee does. Say hi, Kaylee. Turn around so we can see the back. Look at the back. I love it. Let me see the shoes.
These regular shoes.
You look like a clown. Are you guys having like a silly day at school? For one class? What class is it for? What? What?
World language.
Okay. Thank you.